I were the devil, first thing that I'd do is I'd come off like I ever gave a damn about you. Let you catch a peek. Welcome back everyone to another video of these acoustic tutorials where I release a video every single Monday to show you how to play a song. So make sure to like and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified for when I release these videos. Today we're covering If I Were the Devil by Colby Acuff. If you don't know who Colby Acuff is, he is a man bringing back honky tonk. I actually got to meet him back in February. He's a really cool dude, so go check him out. Yes, I'm in a different place now. That's because I just recently moved into an apartment for college. So yeah, I'm also a college student, if you didn't know. Now you do. Alright, now let's get started. This song is with the capo on the 4th fret. Strumming pattern here is very simple. It's just a simple down, down, up, down, up. So it sounds like this. And the chords we'll be using are A minor, C major, G major, and F major. On to the verse. So the verse goes in the order A minor, C major, G major, and F major. You do the strumming pattern twice on each of those chords and just loop it for the entire verse. Here's a playthrough of the first verse. If I were the devil, the first thing that I'd do is I'd come off like I ever gave a damn about you. Let you catch a peek of all your greatest desires, and I'd watch the flames in your eyes burn like hellfire. If you notice at the end of the verse, I stopped on the F, and I always like to do that because I feel like the verse, and I also do that in the chorus, where the music sort of stops with that last lyric. You really just take in that last line. I feel like he does a great job of you getting pulled into the music, and once it stops you really just let it breathe and you just start thinking about what he has said. On to the chorus. Now actually, if you understood the verse, the chorus is the exact same as the verse. The entire song is just that simple A minor, C, G, F. Now here's an embellishment that I always like to add. It's in the C major chord. It's that right there. Now the way to do that is when you're in the C major, you're going to lift your middle finger from the 2nd fret of the D string, and you're going to put it on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then you're going to pluck that, and then go back to the regular C chord. So it sounds like this. And then I also like to hammer on to the 2nd fret of the A string on the G chord. Here's a playthrough for the first verse and the first chorus. If I were the devil, the first thing that I'd do is I'd come off like I ever gave a damn about you. Let you catch a peek of all your greatest desires, and I'd watch the flames in your eyes burn like hellfire. Find all the wolves in the land, and I'd make them fight each other tooth and nail and hand to hand. Find all the sheep, make them stir up the pot, 'cause once the wolves I killed each other, sheep are what I want. The devil walks among us, friends, I know this is true. And I don't know if he's red, and I don't know if he's blue. And one thing that I know, we need to take a look around. If I were the devil, this world wouldn't be my playground. Alright guys, thank you once again for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate every subscription, every single view, and if you want to leave a comment on a future video, I'll make sure to read it and add it to that list of guitar tutorials that I will be giving y'all. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Have a great day.